Mama, when he takes it out, can we just show him what it does?
Sure.
So he knows. Good job.
Cooper's present to play with.
Wow.
It's Cooper's present to play with. But
Not
I bet you'll
that.
be able to play with it
Oh,
with him.
I cut it out.
Now you got a handle for each hand.
Oh, right.
David, just a minute. Just a minute. David, Cooper, watch.
Hey, give me that. Do it. Hey,
Whoa,
David,
whoa,
give
give it back.
to Cooper.
Let Cooper do it. Now we have to turn it around.
Damon,
Let Cooper do it.
give it to Cooper right now.
Give it to Cooper. I want to see him do it.
How do you like it when I take a toy from you? Does that feel nice?
Good job.
Got it.
Yeah.
He's like, whoa, this is cool. He likes the music. He likes the sound too, I think.
Watch your fingers, Damon. Flip it over for him.
Okay. Flip. There's more. Hit him. Good job.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. He's gonna whack it.
Dad, that's why you should put your finger.